Welcome to Psalms and Tides, a quiet place where the words of Scripture meet the gentle sound of the sea. In this episode we listen to Psalm 13, a brief but deeply human prayer. David begins with the repeated cry, "How long? How long will sorrow remain? How long will trouble seem near? How long before the Lord answers?" This psalm gives us permission to bring our waiting, our weariness, and our unanswered questions honestly before God. But it also shows us the path from sorrow toward trust. David doesn't pretend his trouble is small, yet he chooses to rest in the mercy of the Lord. As the waves rise and fall beneath the reading, allow your own heart to speak honestly before God. Bring him what feels unresolved. Bring him what feels heavy. And listen for the quiet turn of faith. "But I have trusted in thy mercy, my heart shall rejoice in thy salvation." This is Psalm 13 from the King James Version. God bless. Psalm number 13. How long wilt thou forget me, O Lord, forever? How long wilt thou hide thy face from me? How long shall I take counsel in my soul, having sorrow in my heart daily? How long shall mine enemy be exalted over me? Consider and hear me, O Lord my God. Lighten mine eyes, lest I sleep the sleep of death. Lest mine enemy say, I have prevailed against him, and those that trouble me rejoice when I am moved. But I have trusted in thy mercy. My heart shall rejoice in thy salvation. I will sing unto the Lord, because he hath dealt bountifully with me. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me in tonight's psalm. I hope these words of Scripture, together with the gentle sound of the waves, have brought you peace, comfort, and a deeper sense of God's nearness as you rest. Psalms and Tides continues with a new psalm every day, Monday through Friday, here in the Sleepy Psalms podcast. Until next time, may the Lord bless you, keep you, and give you quiet rest in his word.